In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit on MetaMask. This is an essential skill if you want to use cryptocurrencies effectively. Let's begin by opening MetaMask on your iPhone, Android device, or browser extension. When you tap the MetaMask icon, you'll see your wallet interface appear. It's important to ensure that you are logged in securely. If you haven't set up your wallet yet, take a moment to do that first. This will allow you to manage your cryptocurrencies and perform transactions with ease. Once you're in, you're ready to start depositing funds. There are two main ways to deposit funds into your MetaMask wallet. The first method is to tap Buy or Buy/Sell on the browser extension. This feature allows you to purchase cryptocurrency directly within the MetaMask interface. Depending on your region, you can use various payment methods like debit cards, bank transfer, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. This is convenient because it eliminates the need to use external wallets or exchanges for buying crypto. After tapping on Buy, you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies along with their corresponding networks. Next, select the cryptocurrency and network you want to use. Make sure to choose one that is supported by MetaMask. After selecting, enter the amount you wish to purchase. You'll then proceed to complete the payment process. If this is your first purchase, you may need to verify your identity. This step is crucial as it helps to ensure that your transactions are secure and comply with financial regulations. Once your identity is verified, you will be able to finalize the purchase. Once the transaction is complete, the cryptocurrency will be deposited into your wallet. At this point, you should receive a confirmation notification indicating that your funds have been successfully added. This immediate feedback helps you to know that your transaction went through without any issues. If you check your wallet balance, you should see the new funds reflected there. This process is streamlined and designed to make your experience as smooth as possible. You can also deposit cryptocurrency from another wallet or exchange. Start by opening MetaMask and tapping your wallet address or the Receive button. This action allows you to copy your public address or display its QR code, which makes sharing your address easy. Copying the address ensures that you have the correct details when sending funds. It's essential to use the correct wallet address to avoid any potential loss of funds during the transfer. Next, open the exchange or wallet you are sending from, such as Binance or Coinbase. Navigate to the Withdrawal or Send section of that platform. This is where you will paste your MetaMask address into the recipient field. Make sure to double-check that you have pasted the correct address. Choosing an incorrect address can lead to lost funds, which is something you want to avoid at all costs. After pasting your address, choose the correct blockchain network. This is a critical step as sending tokens on the wrong network can result in lost funds. Always ensure that the network you select on the sending platform matches the network you are using in MetaMask. Once everything looks good, confirm the transfer and wait for the transaction to be processed. Finally, remember to never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. This phrase is vital for securing your wallet and recovering it if needed. Keeping it private ensures that your assets remain safe. By following these steps, you'll be able to deposit funds into your MetaMask wallet with confidence.